I'm Jeff Shaw. I'm a product manager here with ELAN. We've just introduced our new line of IP amplifiers using Dante. And the beauty of that system, it allows us to have our integrators have flexibility in where they place their amplifiers and their sources within the home. So if you have a large property, for example, you might have all your sources in a rack, and you've got maybe a pool house or a guest house where you might want to have a secondary audio location or more than one audio location. And you can place the secondary amplifier in that location and deliver the audio from the main sources all the way back to the secondary amplifier over using Dante. And the beauty of that is you don't have to run speaker cables all the way back to the rack. So if you've got a large property, a large system, you can centralize or decentralize, you can decentralize your amplifiers. We also have a great little piece that allows us to put a one source, local audio source, to be able to run audio from a TV, for example. So if you're running an Apple TV or a Roku and that's your content for that television, you can run the audio from the TV into this little device, plug that into the network, it's PoE-enabled, and that delivers the audio right back to the rack. So allows integrators to not have to put everything at where the amplifiers are in the rack. You can decentralize your sources and you can decentralize your amplifiers, shortening cable runs and making it easier to install your systems.